Hi guys, welcome back to another tutorial video. So in the following video I will guide you to change the location on the Yubo. Now if you want to change the location on Yubo but you don't know how to do it, then this is the video for you. So simply watch this video till the very end to know about it. So let's get started. The first thing and the first basic thing which you need to do is that make sure that you have already installed the Yubo app on a device. So if you have not installed the Yubo app, you just need to install it from App Store or Play Store on a device, and after that you may simply open the Yubo app. So as you can see, this is the home page of Yubo, where you'll see various options at the very bottom taskbar as well as various things at the very upper taskbar, like swipe near you at the very upper taskbar. Now to change the location, click on the option of live at the very bottom right of the screen, and from here click on the option of your profile icon, and this is the profile icon where you'll see the option of your perks, achievements and all of it. So click on the option of settings like icon at the very top right, and from here you just need to click on the option of account and click on the option of country. Now after selecting the country, you just need to select the country you want to change the location of. So if you want to change the location to US, you may simply scroll down and select the option of US, or if you want to change it to Canada, you may simply do it like that. So that's it. That's how you can change the location on the Yubo app. Thank you for watching the video. Please don't forget to like the video and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.